Hey guys, Carla and Sarah here, and I know I've been MIA for a while. There's been a lot of stuff going on, but I'm back, and for this video we're going to do a box opening from Ulta and from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and do a look with it. Of course I couldn't pick between the two palettes, but I ended up just doing the Jeffree Star. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So the first box we're going to open is, we'll do the Ulta. In a box, came in a box like this. Thingies. And of course, I've been waiting for this for like a long time. So let's see this one. I don't know, I might use it right now. I don't know. I kind of want to, but we'll wait and see. Beautiful. Now for our second box, we're going to be opening. I ordered this around the same time I ordered the jeans, and they came around the same week, so perfect. I thought I was this close to opening it because it's just so beautiful. I love his packaging. His little pink box and Jeffree Star tape. I love it. And for Ulta, I just ordered the James Charles palette. But this is the first thing that I have of Jeffree Star Cosmetics besides his makeup bag. This is his makeup bag that I got for Christmas. It's super cute. But I kind of went a little too much. I wanted one of everything because I wanted to try it out, right? So this little green paper inside. So I got the long-lasting extreme beauty finish cruelty-free vegan velour lip liner, and I got it in the color unicorn's blood. Or wait, there you go. I got it in the color unicorn's blood because I'm also got the lipstick, the liquid lipstick. Okay. Although I'm thinking I'm gonna use Jeffree Star. Ooh, and of course, the highlight. How could I go on Jeffree Star Cosmetics and not get his highlight? Ooh, and I got it Skin Frost, and I got it in the color King Tut. I think I'm gonna use Jeffree Star just because I got more things. And I wanted to try it all out, all at once. So I'll do like this little mini challenge, like only using Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm really excited to use all of this. So I'm gonna have to do my makeup somewhere to the point where I could use this, the lipsticks and the highlight. I think I opened it the wrong way. My bad. Ooh! I'm just like throwing all my boxes over here. It's so pretty. I mean, I love it. The only thing that is kind of like a downer is that it's like those ones that you have to sharpen. But other than that, the color's pretty. Ooh, it's like so creamy. It's so creamy. I am in love. Love, love, love it right now. So here's that. Super cute, super extra, which I love. I'm kind of sick. I'm kind of getting over getting sick, so. And then, I mean, I have this one, but this one's my sister's. And it's Designer's Blood. And I got Unicorn's Blood. I mean, it's like a little bit brighter. Let me see. Let me swatch it.
Let us see if she is immune to all our powers. Shall we check?
Okay. This one's Unicorns. I don't know if you can see that. Oh. This one's Unicorn's Blood, and this one's Designer's Blood. Both really cute. Let's see when I'll give my sister back her lipstick. She's probably gonna watch this and be like, wow, this is why I hate little sisters or something. So now time for what I've been waiting for. It's so cute. Yep. It's really cute. Wait, I don't know. The way I position this, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's this pretty little shimmering one. Can't wait to use it. Now, let me put my baby away because I can't wait to use this one. I have too much makeup. Like, I can't even fit it in here. I'll just put it with my other Morphes, but I'm pretty sure it's bigger. Yeah, it's bigger and better. Oh. I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna need more drawers for my makeup. Pretty sure. Okay, so let's get into this makeup look. Ooh, drop this part. Moment of truth. I love that part. Okay. So, ooh, the colors are so pretty. I don't know if I want to do natural, if I want to go all out.
Kill me. Not him.
I'll do kind of like a both. So I'm gonna go into Kumquat.
You would give up your life.
Kumquat.
A vampire.
I'm going into stroke. And then we're gonna go into drizzle, sorry. And put this on our outer.
The only reason I left.
Outer ear. And now we're gonna blend.
And you're grounded for the rest.
Kind of want it like darker in the end. The colors are so pretty and they're like really easy to blend. Loving it, loving it. I'm gonna go into Filthy Rich for the brow bone. Oh, Filthy Rich.
You all know what I want. And I know how much I'm asking for.
Okay. So now I'm gonna get into, I'm gonna get my Shape Tape in the color Light and use my little brush, and I'm gonna just put it on the eyelid. I'm going to like this yellowish color. Quench. We're gonna go back into drizzle and put it in the ends again.
Condition. If you want me to do it myself.
So for my black liner, I used my favorite NYC liner. For the silver, I used my Heavy Metal Urban Decay in the color Glam Rock.
Yeah, I am gonna miss. You mean Edward program? The way he watches you. It's like he's willing to leap in front of you and take a bullet or something. Not a bad thing.
Ooh, I am loving, I'm living for this.
right choices for you. No, 'cause you're the one that's gonna have to live with them.
So we're gonna clean the eyeshadow. I'm going into drizzle and put it in my under eye.
I'm always open now. Thanks for saying hi, will you? Of course not.
So that's for that, and now I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lash. So I used the velour lip line and it went on so easy, so creamy. I loved it. And then of course lipstick to match. So this is the finished look. Thanks for watching.
Technically, you're a council meeting crasher.
Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, watching my video. But stay tuned for other ones. Make sure you subscribe, and I promise I won't be gone for this time.